welcome to a new Procreate tutorial. So in this new Procreate update, the mono brush seems to be gone. So today I will be teaching you how you can very easily create it. So first I am going to click on this plus icon, create new brush. Here we will be going to Apple Pencil and sorry about that. So as you see, still pressure sensitive, so we are going to make it non-pressure. So what we'll do, opacity to 0, none, and as you see it's very straight and has no pressure to it. So click done. You can rename it, rename Monoline brush. Now we can test our brush. So as you see, you can also change the streamlining. Let's increase it to 50, 52. Now our lines will be a bit more straight. So that's it. Stay